Dino is going somewhere. Let us find out. Hi Dino, where are you going with this shopping bag?
Neil, I'm going to the market to buy some things. Do you want me to get anything for you?
I'm not able to remember what I want. Neil, you wanted something that begins with the B sound.
Oh, so it begins with the letter B. What could it be? Let's think.
Oh yes, I remember now. Banana. I guess it was a banana. Right, Neil? Thank you, Naira. Yes, Dino. Can you help us get some bananas from the market?
Sure, I will. Bye, friends.
Naira, you are very good in remembering the words and their beginning sounds. Thank you, Neil. I know the beginning sounds of so many words. Great. Let us play a game where we guess the beginning sound of the things that we see. Okay? That sounds fun. Oh, look, Naira, who is here? Oh, I know. It's a dog. Can you tell me the beginning sound of dog? Dog. Correct, Naira. Wow! Look! Something is flying. What is that? That is a helicopter. Can you tell me the beginning sound of helicopter? Helicopter. Well done, Neil. I am feeling hungry now. Let us go and eat something. Wow! Yummy fruits! Neil, can you tell me the beginning sound of fruits? Fruits. Yes, you are correct. Wow! My favorite fruit, kiwi. Naira, you want to try and guess what is the beginning sound of kiwi? Kiwi. That's awesome, Naira. Oh no, my favorite fruit is missing. Where is the banana?
Dino is back from the market and has got bananas for Neil.
Yay, bananas! Thank you, Dino.
You're welcome, Neil. Here are the bananas.
That is a cool cap, Dino.
Thank you, Naira.
Naira, what is the beginning sound of cap? Cap. Good job, Naira.
I've got all the things that I needed from the market. Dino takes out the guitar and plays it.
Oh yes, I know this instrument. It is a guitar. Nice. Naira, what is the beginning sound of guitar? Guitar. Well done. What else did you get, Dino?
I bought a jar to keep all the cookies, and I know the beginning sound of jar too.
Great, Dino. Tell us, please.
Jar.
Wow, Dino. You know this game too.
Yes, thank you, Neil. Look, what have I got for all of us? Dino takes out 3 lollipops.
Yummy! Thank you so much, Dino.
We all know the beginning sound of lollipop.
Lollipop.